So the pedal powered hacksaw is a very innovative project which allows you to drive a hacksaw using human pedals. So now we will study how this project is made, its assembly and the various parts used to make the project. So let's start with it.
Hi guys, to get the project parts, visit Nevon Projects and search for pedal powered hacksaw. Once you open the page, click on order now. Select your country and check your delivery date. And you can purchase all the parts at the lowest price online.